Now we are going to see a typical NE curves for a metal. We shall now study the typical NE curve for metal at absolute zero and at normal temperature. See in the figure, it shows a typical NE curve for a metal at normal temperature. The characteristics of these curves are now we are going to study. See in the figure there are the two curves A and B. Curve A indicates at the normal temperature and B at the absolute zero temperature. First, this curve represents the energy band for a particular energy level. Second, the area under the curve is proportional to the total number of electrons in the particular band. Third, the curve shows that C is the most favored energy by electrons. Fourth, the width of the energy band is equal to energy difference in between A and B position. Fifth, the width of the energy band varies from metal to metal, but it is in the range of 1 to 10 electron volt. 6. The change in the temperature changes the filling of the electrons in the available energy levels or states within the band. It also changes the shape of the curve. From the figure, B curve shows a typical Ne curve for a metal at absolute zero temperature. The characteristics of this curve are: first, at absolute zero, it is assumed that the available electrons occupy all the lowest levels within a band and the energy levels higher than the X are vacant. That is, there is no electrons beyond X. Therefore, the boundaries of the Ne curve will be at X. Second, as the temperature is decreased, the electrons occupy lower energy levels and hence higher energy levels remains vacant. Thus, with the decreasing temperature at the right hand side of the Ne curves, curve becomes more and more vertical. At absolute zero temperature, the curve becomes completely vertical as shown by the X position. Third, at higher temperature, the thermal energy will be excite at least some electrons into the energy level higher than the X, that is, beyond X. Thus, with increasing temperature, the electrons will occupy the energy level beyond X and the vertical boundary of the Ne curve will disappear and the curve will become more and more diffuse. Hence, the Ne curve will be similar to that shown in figure as that is A, normal temperature. See in the figure, there are two NE curves for two energy bands. It is shown an energy gap between the two curves. Energy curves for the band, that is soft X-ray spectra, shows that every energy band possesses an E curve. Thus, metal positions more than one Ne curve as shown in the figure. The energy gap between two Ne curves is indicated by M and N. These gaps may be narrow or broad. In some metals, when two Ne curves overlap, then there are no energy gap as in this figure. Ne curves, here both N and E are capital. It is important to know the number of energy levels in a given band. This is given by capital Ne curves. This curve also gives the density of energy states or levels. The density of the energy state is the number of states per unit volume of the crystal in the energy range E and E plus dE. Thus, Ne is defined in such a way that Ne gives the number of energy states having energy between E and E plus dE. The characteristics of capital Ne curves. First, capital N represents the total number of energy levels in each energy band, and E stands for the energy of the band. Second, the number of Ne curves in metal depends on the S, P, D energy levels. For example, sodium atom possesses separate energy bands for 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s and 3p energy levels. Third, similar to small Ne curves, the capital Ne curves are separated by an energy gap. For example, capital Ne for 3s is separated from capital Ne for 3p. Fourth, the two Ne, capital Ne may overlaps with Ne of 3p. Fifth, the shape of Ne curve is very important in determining the electrical conductivity property of the metals. Comparison of these energy curves, that is small Ne curves and capital Ne curves. We know there are two types of energy curves, small Ne curves and second capital Ne curves. First, Ne versus E gives the energy distribution of the electrons in a band, that is, it gives the total number of electrons in the energy bands, whereas capital Ne curves gives the total number of energy states. In each state can accommodate 2 electrons. Second, small Ne curves are useful to show the existing distribution of electrons between the various possible energy levels in a band. Small any curve cannot indicate the actual levels or states that exist in a band. This is because all the levels in the given band are not filled by the electrons, and the spectral band does not indicate the empty levels in the band, whereas capital NE curve indicates the actual levels that exist in the band. Third, the area under small NE curve gives the total number of electrons, while that under capital NE curves gives the total number of energy states in the energy band. Fourth, although the vertical scale has to be adjusted to make sure that the area under small NE curve is double than that under capital NE, the shape of the both the curves at similar and at absolute zero. This is because all these n by 2 energy levels are filled completely. Fifth, the small NE curve will extend it beyond small NE curve at higher temperature. This is because at absolute zero temperature, the available electrons will occupy only the lowest states, but at higher temperature, the electrons will be distributed differently between the available states and will not occupy all the available energy states in a band. That is, some levels will remain vacant. 6. The relationship between small ne and capital Ne curve can be shown to some extent by shading the area under capital Ne curve, which represent the electron states that would be fully occupied at absolute zero. See, in the figure, there are two energy curves separated by an energy gap, that is Mn. The shaded portion shows the energy states which would be occupied at the absolute zero. For example, in the figure, a typical Ne curve with the shaded portion represent the states to which would be occupied at absolute zero. There are not sufficient electrons are available to fill completely the available